Beautiful morning in the Uintas. Yeah, we're gonna be hiking up to Duck Lake today. My mic actually broke, so we're gonna go off the phone audio today. But 2 people camping in hammocks, 2 people camping in tents. Should be an amazing time. I'm gonna go get the rest of my tent set up. Huge looking storm coming in right now. Said there's a chance of a thunderstorm, so we'll see if it hits. I snagged off my gold minnow and got a pretty bad tangle in my reel. So, but we're gonna keep on going. I'm sorry if the audio is bad. Yeah, this is pretty cold. Shut it! Whoa. Horsies. Little brookie, we're gonna eat him. Took us so long. I hooked him straight through the gills, so we're gonna eat him. Good looking fish. He has the most beautiful orange meat in there. We're gonna cook him up. It's actually starting to rain right now, so I'm gonna hurry back to camp. It's looking like it's gonna be a thunderstorm, so I'm gonna hurry back right now. Oh, there he is. He's a chipmunk stealing my butter. The fish. Oh. Just threw his fishing rod in the. It's. He's gonna go get it. I'm cooked. You what? I had to die for that. That's cheaper than it looks. Did you see it though? I don't know, you threw it. Hey. Bruh. He got the fishing rod back. Make some dinner.
5 years and I've probably visited enough to add up to a year and a half.
Oh, you gone? We cooked some food, dinner. We got another dinner cooking. We just did some hot dogs, but the mosquitoes are terrible. But it's been a good day.
Oh, really?
Another deer. They keep going to that same spot. We're like right here. For bed. There's actually a ton of lightning kind of down south, so we'll see if it rains tonight, but all ready. See you guys in the morning. Beautiful morning out here. Slept pretty good. It actually rained a lot last night and there was some pretty crazy lightning, but we slept pretty good. My friend actually ended up coming in the tent with me because he was in a hammock and didn't have a tarp. So, anyway, but Cooked up some breakfast. We're probably gonna try to head out here around 9:30. It's like 8:50 right now, and then we'll go hit some other lakes on our way back. But this is a great lake. Packed up. We'll be heading out here in a couple minutes. Like I said, we'll be hitting a couple other lakes on our way back, so really excited. Here got one fish. We're gonna head down the trail with another one. Right to the highest elevation that we'll be doing on our way back. We'll start our descent now. Back to this trailhead. Oh, it's hot. Parking lot. Oh, there's a long hike. Okay. And we started here, went all the way down here. Duck Lake, came back that way as well. Awesome hike. Awesome trail. Beautiful morning. We'll be headed back now. Video, they take a really long time to edit, and I really appreciate it for those who made it this far. This video was definitely a lot shorter than my other ones. I'm sure you guys could tell. I didn't actually record too much while I was up there. I was with my friends and my dad, and I wanted to spend more time with them than worry about recording. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're having some really great videos coming out soon, and thank you guys for watching again.